Hi guys, my name is Christina Rougerie. Welcome to my channel. I am an American living in France, and today we're going to talk about the 7 essentials to pack for in fall when traveling to Paris. Yes, Paris! Love and romance and the lights, all that, right? Okay, but now it's fall. How do you pack? What do you pack? Well, I have friends come in November. I shared with them what they need, and I'd like to share with you the 7 essentials to pack when coming to Paris in fall. All right, guys, let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about weather first. All right, the weather, it's not too finicky. When I'm talking about fall, I'm talking about November. Okay, so in November, you can get anywhere to 40 to 45 degree weather. That's in Fahrenheit. 40 is 7 in Celsius. And you will have about 40% chance of rain. So this is why you have to be prepared, because also during the day, it could be warm. You can have sunny days. But in the morning and in the evenings, you're definitely gonna have chillier weather. So this is why you're gonna have to be prepared for the fluctuation and the temperatures. So let's talk about the first one. What do you need? The first one I'm going to talk about is shoes. Us women love our shoes, don't we? Well, you don't want to get caught in the rain wearing something that's going to get damaged. So the 2 main materials I use in my shoes is a patent leather rain boot type of shoe, but it's a dress-up shoe. Another one that I use is a waterproof, all these need to be waterproof by the way, a waterproof tennis shoe, but not the tennis shoe that you go to the gym in. We're talking about the French tennis shoe, what they call tennis shoe. So it's fashionable, it's beautiful, you can wear it with a dress, you can wear it with pants or leggings. These are the type of shoes that you definitely want to wear, and flats. Leave the high heels at home. You will not need them. Also boots, any type of boot, as long as it's a waterproof boot, they will work. But suede on a rainy day, not so much. So just remember, waterproof shoes, flats. So there you have it. Waterproof shoes, guys. Now let's go to the next one. Okay, the second one I'm going to talk about, ladies, is the raincoat. Now, what do I mean when I say raincoat, though? I'm actually talking about the trench coat. Yes, ladies, we're in Paris. The Parisian women are stylish, yes. So show up and be ready with a beautiful trench. This is made for rain. This is very waterproof, so you don't have to worry about anything. The colors that you are going to be focusing on are colors for fall, basically. So you have blues, you have black, I have a beige one, and depending on how bad it's raining, or if it's raining every single day, they have long ones, you have short ones, but I really wouldn't go shorter than the knee high. Unless you're wearing jeans. But yes, ladies, trench, that's what I mean when I'm talking about a raincoat. Okay guys, number 3. Number 3, I'm gonna talk about pants. Yes, it's something you need, right? We all need that when we get to leave the house. But here for Paris, jeans. Jeans is obvious, right? So you are gonna need those jeans, but you can also do leggings. You can do leggings. If it gets chillier in the evening, you can actually wear, I wear stockings underneath my leggings. Also, you can, there's a very, very thick stocking that you can wear for your dresses. So that's another option as far as like when we're talking about pants in general. So yes, ladies, that's it. We got pants, we got leggings, we have stockings underneath your leggings, and we have the really thick stockings that you can wear. So those are the 3 that I recommend when coming to Paris and as an essential for November. Okay, number 4. Well, this one's very short and sweet, and I mean literally short. I am talking about an umbrella. Yes, that is the 4th essential that you do need. Now, they come in little small sizes that kind of retract into, so it can fit in your bag, and a little small one. And so obviously you can fit that in your luggage, so it's not a big deal. If you want to wait until you get here to choose something cute, because they have so many different options here, then you can do that as well. But that's kind of like your accessory. So a lot of people play around with it, with pattern, decoration, and some are just very chic and simple. Black and or white or red. Yeah, and red is definitely the cutest thing ever in Paris, right? So yeah, there you go, an umbrella. Okay, number five. Number five, we're going to be talking about a tote. Now, I'm actually going to cover more about using a crossbody or a backpack. Yes, nylon is really good for waterproof if you're walking in the rain and you can't find cover. So I do recommend using the material of nylon. But as far as the equipment, I definitely highly recommend the backpack and the crossbody to keep your hands free. You're going to be doing a lot of walking in Paris. You're going to be going up and down the metro. You do not want this little purse crossing over your shoulders, and you definitely need a size big enough. And this is why I recommend more of the backpack, because you do have now that umbrella I mentioned. You probably going to have a little bit of a water bottle, a small water bottle, and then of course you got your tickets, you got your phone, you have this, you have that, you have your makeup, and because you're out all day, right? So just think about for you and how much equipment you are going to, not equipment, but how much stuff you have and what size of tote for your backpack or your crossbody that you will need. And only you can answer that. Okay, number six. Number six, we're gonna talk about scarves. Okay, yes, the Parisian women are very well known for their scarves here. So yes, this is where you can have fun with your patterns, changing and interchanging it with your outfits. You just need to think about warm material, because in spring, the material is very light material, but in fall, you definitely need to go with a thicker material and something that can wrap really nicely around your neck. And it can drape down. So yeah, there you have it, ladies. Pack your scarves and let's get going. Okay, and number seven. Number seven is about layering. I left this one for last because pretty much it's gonna add everything that I've talked about and to show you how to use it. But yes, you definitely wanna pack for layering your clothes. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna take pants. We talked about jeans, right? All right, so you're gonna take your jeans. Depending on the weather, you might need stockings underneath your jeans. But that's one part of the layering. And then depending again on the temperature, if it's really cold, you can have a tank top, summer tank top underneath with a nice blouse over that, and then your sweater, and then a jacket, and then a scarf. So yes, that is the example for jeans. This is what I really love about the French, is they're very big on recycling their clothes from one season to the next. Like they'll take a summer dress and they will layer it over stockings or leggings. And then they will have a nice cute sweater over the summer dress with a nice little belt, and then have a jacket and scarf again. And yeah, so everything is really easy as in unlayering, because you're not gonna unlayer too much. You're just gonna unlayer the scarf and the jacket at most, especially when you're kind of getting deeper into November, December. But yes, so yeah, ladies, that is the 7 essentials to think of when you're packing for Paris. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe if you'd like to stay along with us. I am an American living in France, and I am doing a renovation. I'm talking about my interior design business, and I'm also talking about French living. And this is definitely part of French living. So okay, thank you for being here, and have a wonderful day. And as always, I love to send love, light, and healing for you guys, and bisous, bisous, as the French say, kisses. Cheers.